Stitch Fix UK. Did you know Stitch Fix is in the UK? It's been over here for over a year now, and I have been getting a regular box. I absolutely adore my Stitch Fix UK box. It actually, I get a variety of items that I wouldn't otherwise necessarily buy. I have the comfort of trying them on at home, and I can select the shapes, the styles that suit me. The algorithm picks items that fit me generally, and I can select pricing. So it suits me, especially as I'm not going to the shops like I used to, but at the same time, I do want the odd new thing as well, new item of clothing. So Stitch Fix delivery just suits my lifestyle nowadays. Now it has changed, Stitch Fix has changed slightly this month. I was given a selection of 10 items online that the algorithm and then the stylist had selected. And then out of that 10 online, I could then choose 5 for delivery. And obviously, as normal, don't have to keep the 5, don't have to keep any of them. Can send them all back, can keep some. If you keep them all, you get a discount. And if you use a link down below, that will give you a discount as well. That's my link will give you a discount too. But so I went through the options, the 10 items that the stylist has selected, and picked 5. Of which one was a pair of black jeans, because I had selected or had put in a note that I wanted to have a delivery of black jeans this time. I wanted black jeans in the delivery. So the stylist chose 2 pairs of black jeans, of which when I was online and going through the 10, I selected 1. What I didn't do was look at pricing, and I don't know if that option was there actually to look at pricing, because what was delivered was a pair of jeans, the one that I'd selected, which is a pair called Paige, made in Los Angeles, and these fit beautifully. Absolutely adore these jeans. They feel so comfortable on, so comfortable. They're not denim-y, and they're not quite like Marks and Spencer's elastane. They are just a nice, comfortable, really good quality. I think, you know, they feel good quality to me. They feel like an investment pair of jeans. And then I looked at the price, £230. So I should have chosen the other pair of black jeans that the stylist had picked for my delivery pack. Anyway, I loved these Paige jeans. So I'm going to look out for Paige jeans online and see if I can get some in a sale somewhere, because they feel really good, fantastic. They feel fantastic. Love them. And next time I am sent my email with my items of 10, I'm going to look at pricing. Anyway, because I've never in any box said I would like a pair of, you know, that £230 is the right price of jeans for me. I've generally said, you know, sort of 70, 80, 50, that kind of thing. So anyway, I fell in love with a £230 pair of jeans. So to the extent I will look out for that brand online, see if I can find them in a sale. Now, what else was sent? A tartan scarf. And it's actually, this scarf is actually animal print, and it has a sort of a bit of plaid and tartan on the reverse. So it's actually a reversible scarf, which I think is fantastic. I love this scarf, and I had kept it and I have worn it a few times as well, because it just keeps me nice and cozy and warm sitting outside. And at the same time, it's quite a stylish scarf. It's not one that can fold easily, but it's good for wearing outside if you're seeing relatives and friends outside nowadays. So I really do like this scarf. What else was sent? Well, a burgundy sweater. This sweater, and it's by Whistles. Now, I've never actually seen Whistles in the Stitch Fix box before, so I was pleased to see Whistles. I don't know if it's a new acquisition to the Stitch Fix family, you know, that they will work with Whistles now, or whether it's just been there all along and they just haven't sent me any Whistles. But this has got it's a nice burgundy sweater with some little, you know, silver thread through, which I think would be nice for the season, for the, you know, for the festive season. And it's a nice shape on. So that, I like that sweater. And pricing is £69, that Whistles sweater. And it's called the Annie Sparkle Knit Jumper in burgundy. So that was a nice sweater, I thought, that came in my box. I selected from the email as well a boat neck black crop sleeve, short sleeved sweater
jumper, Vera Moda. I've got quite a few Vera Moda things from either Look Euro and from Stitch Fix. I like the Vera Moda brand. Anyway, so it hangs straight. It's got, it's not particularly long, but it's not short. It's not cropped either. I found that the boat neck was just a little bit low to be not necessarily totally flattering on my shape, but if I added a necklace to it, it changed it totally. My body shape needs less rounded things and more angular things, and so V-necks suit me better than crew, for instance. So by putting a long pendant in, I'm creating the V that actually suits me better than a big scooped neck. So this boat neck, I love a boat neck. This one was just slightly too scooped for my body shape, but adding the long pendant helped that. So I actually found that worked, and I thought it was a nice casual autumn, spring, winter indoors if you've got the heating on sweater. So I really like that jumper. I'm glad I selected that. And then a blouse that I selected from the selection of 10 items is a blouse from Mint Velvet, and I do like Mint Velvet brand. This is slightly see-through, so it needs a vest or camisole underneath, but I just thought it's beautiful with the animal print, the frill on it, and so on. A nice blouse. I mean, as I get older, I'm going to have to start wearing blouses more because I think they suit an older person more than t-shirts necessarily. So I'm going to have to migrate more to a lot more blouses over the coming years. And I know at least one of my subscribers is going to say, I think that's probably a bit too fussy for you, Anne-Marie. You may be right. You may be right, my subscriber who says that. I have to break out of my comfort zone, and as long as I casualify it, I'll be comfortable with it. With the pattern and the frill, I'll be comfortable as long as I casualify it. So I would casualify it, say, with a pleather jacket, casualify it with jeans, casualify it with... that's probably how, yeah. Pleather, jeans. But I can see comments coming, yeah, that's a bit too frilly for you, Anne-Marie. That doesn't seem to be your style, and you'd be right. You'd be right, but I have to grow up. I can't just be t-shirts and jeans. I have to grow up, especially as I'm nearly 60, I have to grow up. Anyway, so I thought that would be a nice useful item in my wardrobe, and you will see this in lookbooks, and I will casualify it to make it appropriate for the natural kind of personality that I am, natural style I've got. And I mean, it's got the animal print. It's got the animal print, you know. That's the big appeal to me. That's enough to appeal to my natural personality, the animal print. Forget the frill. Yeah, that's there. That's just a by the way. There's the animal print. Anyway, I thought that worked too. So I really enjoyed the box. I'm going to have to look more carefully next time they send me the email saying, here, the 10 items, take 5, select the 5 you want delivered to you to try. I will have to see if I can actually look at pricing. But other than that, it was a good box, and I love Stitch Fix. We'll carry on getting Stitch Fix. I think it's great. And so I'll see you all in another Stitch Fix video, or I'll see you all in another outfit if you watch my lookbooks.